Hello everyone, welcome back to 2 Minute Tips. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage survey versions effectively, including creating new versions, as well as viewing and restoring old versions. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a new version. Navigate to the Survey tab. Click on Tools, then hover over Versions and select Create New Version. You'll be prompted to add a description for this new version. Note that the dates are automatically saved with each entry. Once you've entered the details, click Create Version. To review previous entries, head back to the Survey tab and click on Tools. This time, choose Versions and then View Version History. You'll see a list of all previous entries on the left. Click on any entry that catches your interest. To examine it more closely, select View in Survey Builder to preview it directly in the editor. If you decide to revert to that entry, simply click Restore. It's important to understand the implications of restoring an earlier version and then publishing it. Restoring a survey to a previous entry does not affect those currently taking your survey or alter their experience. However, once you publish the restored version, changes will occur. Here's what happens when you publish a restored version. Current respondents who are already taking the survey will not see any changes. They'll continue with the entry of the survey they started with. New respondents, on the other hand, will be presented with the newly published, restored version of the survey. This means they'll experience the survey as it was at the earlier point you restored to. Another critical point to note is about your data. Publishing a restored version will overwrite any new data you've collected since that entry was created. This could potentially lead to loss of recent insights if not managed carefully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. I'll see you around the XM community.